Alright guys, so we're gonna be doing the high beam, which also acts as a daytime running light on this 2015 Volkswagen Golf. So sorry for my voice right now, I just been a little bit sick, but pretty much it's very simple. It's gonna be, your high beam is gonna be right here. Okay, your low beam is gonna be on the top, closest to the fender, and your high beam is gonna be right here. Okay, so there's gonna be a little rubber cap that goes right here. It's easy to come off. At that point, your bulb is gonna be here. You're gonna know you're grabbing it because there's gonna be like a fin counterclockwise, pops it out just like that. So this is the fin I'm talking about. When the bulb is installed, it'll go like this, okay? So it'll go something like at an angle. Put it in, make sure you can feel it hit flush. You'll feel like it goes into something, and then just twist it and lock it into place, okay? So you're gonna be the same thing with our H15, okay? Locate the actual socket. You'll feel it go all the way in. There it goes, okay? And there it is, okay? It doesn't take too much, okay? Once you feel it like it's not moving anymore, it means you're good. But make sure you wiggle it, make sure it doesn't move. And if it doesn't, then you're good. And now you test it. Okay, you can check it out right here. And you're done. And pretty much, as you can see right now, that's not the actual bulb itself flickering or flashing, phasing real quick. It's just the camera. So as you can see, everything's good. Okay, it's just that it was too close. But there you go. And right now, it's in the DRL function. Okay, so daytime running lights do work. And no error codes whatsoever, okay? So, if you activate the high beams, that'll work too. You can real quick activate the high beams. There you go, that's high beam right there, guys. Your daytime running lights. So if you guys got any questions, concerns, please let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay? Thank you for watching.